Some snacks are simple, warm and comforting. Crispy, aromatic and full of flavour, perfect for a calm evening at home. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. This recipe is easy to make and even easier to enjoy. I peel the carrots and cut them into thick pieces about 4 centimeters long. Did you know carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which supports skin and eye health? It's such a simple ingredient but with real nutritional power. I place the carrots in a pot and cook them until soft. The kitchen slowly fills with a gentle, homely aroma. I preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, about 355 degrees Fahrenheit. I brush the baking paper with a bit of olive oil. This will keep the chips from sticking later. I cut the cooked carrots in half lengthwise, so they're easy to flatten. I arrange them cut side down, leaving small gaps between each piece. I gently flatten each one with the bottom of a glass. That soft crackle under the paper is one of my favorite sounds. If you enjoy simple homemade snacks, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I season the carrots with salt, pepper and my favorite spices. That's where the magic begins. As the warm carrots meet the spices, the air fills with a slightly sweet, cozy scent. I sprinkle everything with grated cheese. As it bakes, it melts beautifully and turns into a golden crust. This is the moment I love most. Everything looks like tiny golden treats fresh from the oven. I bake at 180 degrees Celsius, about 355 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 to 35 minutes until the cheese is golden and crisp. Now it's time to make the dip. I peel the onion, garlic and avocado. This creamy sauce is going to pair perfectly with the chips. Did you know avocado is a great source of healthy fats and potassium? It's a simple way to support your body every day. I place everything in a blender and add lemon juice. It keeps the avocado from turning dark. I add parsley, sour cream or yogurt and a spoon of mayo. This combination makes the dip extra creamy. If you love easy, healthy recipes, give this video a like and join me for more cozy kitchen moments. I season with salt, pepper and spices, then blend until smooth and creamy. I pour the dip into a small bowl and serve it with the carrot chips. I love this part. Crispy chips and a silky dip make the perfect combination. And it's ready. A light and delicious snack, perfect for a cozy evening with family or friends. Thank you for cooking with me today. If you enjoy simple and healthy recipes, subscribe and let's make many more tasty moments together.